Hey everybody, we're hoping y'all are having a great summer. We are getting super excited for our 16th annual Saints Gala, which is going to be this Saturday at 6 o'clock p.m. and it's presented by Rusty Wallace Automotive Group. Please register online for our live and silent auction. You'll be able to bid there. At 6 o'clock on Thursday, our silent auction will open. On Saturday, you'll be able to pick up your meals from the Mill and Mine at 4 o'clock. If you opted for delivery, they'll be delivered between 4:30 and 5:30. At 6 o'clock on Saturday, you can tune into YouTube or our Facebook program for the whole live program. It's going to be great. We have a mixology class presented by Brian Boitano, who is an Olympic gold medalist. And thank you to R.S. Lippman Company for providing our drinks. And then after that, we will start our live auction where you can bid on items such as voice lessons from Chris Blue, a house on Norris Lake, yoga on the Tennessee River, and Nashville getaways, and so much more. We're so excited for this great event, and a huge shout out to Rusty Wallace again for helping us get this event off the ground, and Holloway Event Company for helping us get everything together. If you have any questions, please email Corinne Mattern at cmattern@esnoxville.org, and we look forward to seeing y'all on Saturday.